ABC News, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter. A retroactive occupancy agreement between the Family Justice Center and Bakersfield Recovery Services failing a vote at the Board of Supervisors this morning. The vote comes after months of controversy surrounding the future of the Family Justice Center and its former partnership with the Open Door Network. Earlier this year, the district attorney's office announced it would not continue its contract with Open Door, citing ethical concerns and disagreements over how certain cases were publicly discussed. Open Door Network denied those concerns, arguing the organization was being pushed out after publicly speaking about several high-profile cases, including the one involving District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer's nephew and former Supervisor Zach Scrivener. The dispute led to heated public comment, questions about county oversight, and a delayed vote in March. This morning, DA Zimmer addressing the issue for the first time publicly, this as new emails from the District Attorney's office obtained through public records requests shed more light on this ongoing debate. During the Board of Supervisors Tuesday, Supervisors Flores, Parlier, and Couch recusing themselves from the vote on the occupancy of the Family Justice Center. This because each supervisor has previously accepted campaign contributions from entities related to Bakersfield Recovery Services. Because of this, the county clerk had to draw names from a jar for the vote, regardless of conflict of interest. District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer speaking publicly on the matter for the first time.
That confidential case manager would be on site at the Family Justice Center. Right now, that case manager is currently employed, but is working off-site because there requires board approval to be on site.
The Family Justice Center has been a topic of debate ever since Zimmer's office ended their partnership with the Open Door Network in January. Emails from ADA Ken Russell to Lauren Skidmore, CEO of Open Door Network, show Russell asking Skidmore not to comment publicly on active cases, citing rules that limit what attorneys can say publicly about ongoing proceedings. Through a public records request, we received hundreds of emails from the DA's office, including an email from June 30th, 2025 between Russell and Carla Pearson, an advocate with Mothers Against Drunk Driving. The email, nearly a carbon copy of the one sent to Skidmore. During the meeting Tuesday, Zimmer said BRS was granted the contract with the FJC following a competitive process.
We followed those rules and followed the advice scrupulously by the county council, and it was a competitive, fair, and open process in which nonprofits were asked to apply for this position of confidential case manager at the Family Justice Center.
However, according to County Council, BRS was the only organization to apply. According to the sole source or brand vendor justification, in response to what advantage BRS brings to the county, the response was, quote, this vendor will allow the Family Justice Center to maintain confidential case management.
The motion is opposed. 2 ayes, 1 opposed. Supervisor Peters.
Because Supervisor Leticia Perez was absent, Parlier and Flores were randomly chosen to vote on the issue with Peters. Parlier and Flores voted to approve the occupancy, while Peters voted against it, meaning the issue failed because it was not unanimous. Peters providing his reasoning, saying, quote, as an elected official, I have a responsibility not only to ensure continuity of services, but also to safeguard public trust in the institutions that serve our community. He went on to write, in weighing one against the other, the concerns brought up repeatedly by the public outweighed the benefit of approving the proposed lease agreement at this time. Peters added that victim services are still being provided. However, in emails from Russell to BRS CEO Ganesh Archaria, Russell described operations at the FJC, including the grants Open Door Network received to staff the center. Russell writing, quote, our victim services unit is able to train your staff on the skills necessary to operate as a nonprofit for those grants. Russell outlined that without Open Door, the FJC needed assistance with confidential case management, emergency shelter and housing, counseling, and 24/7 response to law enforcement and medical facilities. After Archaria accepted the offer, Russell responded, writing, thank you again, and I think this will be a big bonus for both organizations. In Bakersfield, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter.